Yujacha, or Yuja tea, is one of my wintertime favorite drinks. Here's how you make it. Here are the ingredients, and there's only three. This is going to be really simple. First, you're going to need some sugar. Then we're going to need 4 Yuja, or Yuzu, depending on what you have available. If you don't have this available, you can always use lemons. And you're also going to need some honey. I'm using some orange blossom honey. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut each Yuja into eighths. And you're going to discover very quickly, Yuja has lots of seeds, lots of really hard seeds. And you're going to just have to dig them out, plot them out, and try not to lose that much juice. Yep. Just going to cut that in eighths. Now that we've cut all of them into eighths, now we're going to have to slice them really thin. We're going to slice them as thin as you can. Grind it all. All of it goes into the tea. This is one of the beauties of Yujacha, or Yuja tea, is you just use the whole fruit. There we go. And just about done. Now we're just going to scrape all that into a large metal bowl. There we go, every last bit of it you can. As much pulp as you can find. Make sure you get all the seeds out, because any seeds now will be disastrous. But everything else goes in. The zest, the rind, everything. Alright, now we're going to use a large tablespoon of sugar. The sugar is going to act like a desiccant, sort of partially preserve the Yuja. And now we're going to use the honey. We're using about 1/3 of a cup of our orange blossom honey, using this plunger measuring cup to sort of get it in there. There we go, just have to make sure you get it just right. Now, just mix it up. Make sure you cover as much of the sliced Yuja with sugar and honey. The sugar is going to act like a desiccant, sort of partially preserve the Yuja. The honey is going to sweeten it. And in a couple days, it's going to create a thick syrup around the Yuja. Let's go ahead and first we're going to can everything. Got a couple mason jars here. I got 4 mason jars. Didn't need all 4. I actually was able to do it in 3, but always make sure you have more than you need just in case. There you go. Just sort of push as much as you can in each jar. Like I said, it's just going to sort of draw the moisture out and make a thick syrup, which is going to be the essence of our Yujacha. Alright, now that we've finished jarring, we're going to move on and store these in the fridge for at least 1 to 3 days. That's going to allow the sugar and the honey to do its work. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add a heaping spoonful of our Yujacha mixture into a large mug or cup as we wait for this water to get hot. There we go. Alright, just the beginnings of boiling. We're just going to add the water up to the top. You might want to add a little bit more of the Yujacha or less, depending on how much flavor you want. But if this had 3 days to sort of draw the moisture and get a good syrup, you don't need a lot. This is still fairly young, so there we go. I had to add a little bit more. This is why you should let this sort of wait. Alright, and this is Yujacha. Perfect for a good winter's night. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.